This is the Egg Cracker 420, built by Wesley Perler, Josh Borlis, and Eli Lee.
The Rube Goldberg starts out with this screwdriver as our wheel and axle, and it's going to screw this screw. And as we're turning it, it's going to pull this string, which is attached to this pulley, and that is going to pull this wedge in line so it can hit the egg. And as we're screwing, it's going to push that screw into these dominoes, which is a third-class lever. And the dominoes are going to hit that golf ball, and it's going to go down this inclined plane. And it's going to be, the golf ball is going to be the effort of this first-class lever, and that black ball is going to be the resistance of this first-class lever. And since in a first-class lever, the effort goes the opposite direction of the resistance, the black ball is going to be pushed down this inclined plane, hit the wedge into the egg.